bigger institutions are buying around this area, and this bump and run reversal bottom is actually a bullish. This is a bump in phase and this is a run, and this third usually indicates the price should decline. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So now I know you guys might be wondering, is Wyckoff's distribution still valid or not? Now it's not valid because this single wick here was enough to pierce the previous high of 7,175 area. So now we are not going to focus on this distribution schematic anymore. We will be looking only on this Wyckoff's accumulation schematic. The distribution schematic is already invalid. And guys, smash the like button and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Yesterday I got a question in Telegram asking if this previous high of around like 7,487 is going to get broken, is the whole Wyckoff's accumulation schematic going to be invalid again? Doing my research, I found out that this area, there is plenty of rooms to grow. That means even if the price actually breaks the previous high, which is 7,485 area, the price could still go up, make high, and then continue a downward direction. So we can still see this kind of movement coming in this. So I'm leaving some more space around this area. This whole scenario right now where we are in this phase B, we have to be very careful because in phase B, institution and large professional are accumulating Bitcoin in low price for the next market rally. And this process might take a longer time. Like we have seen in our previous accumulation was only like 6 days. This could be like months, like 2 or 3 months. Even if we go backwards, we can see here, right? This was also a really long accumulation phase. If you look at this, like 46 days, I'm guessing that this might be even longer than the previous one. And guys, also, right, you'll see multiple like secondary trades during this phase, and also the upthrust will be tested plenty of time around this phase B area. So since we are already in this phase B area, what we should keep in back of our head is that the phase, this whole, the net institution are the net buyers and they are accumulating as much Bitcoin as possible from the remaining floating supply. So we have to be very, very careful because we can see massive price pumping and massive price dumping around this phase B area. And not only that, guys, I have actually included this Bitcoin COT indicator to show you guys how this whole scenario is panning out right now, because this Bitcoin COT indicator helps to understand the market dynamic, and this COT is published by the Commodity Future Trading Commission (CFTC) and mostly at the end of the Thursday trading session. So if you click on it, now what we can see is the net long or short position of speculative or commercial trader trading like futures, options, and also their actual position, guys. So let me show you here. If we focus on this bull run, the small bull run from 2020, which pushed the price almost till like 11,000 or 10,500 area before price started getting dumped massively. But you can see here, red line were the ones who were actually selling the position when the price was rising, because you can see here, they were the one who was selling the position. And when the price actually started dropping massively, they were really constant around this area. They started accumulating Bitcoin. Now you can see here, the line is actually rising. And also we can see through this line is that now they are accumulating around this area, and this yellow line is the professional trader who are actually selling around this area, because you know, right, professional traders are the yellow line. And you can see now in this phase, since the price is going upper direction, the bigger institutions are buying around this area, the professional are actually losing the position, and the retail investors are also joining in. They are also buying around this phase. So that's why I thought to include this indicator to show you the whole scenario. And guys, I have another example what might also be really interesting for you. So guys, this is another example what I actually wanted to share with you. We talked about this in my previous video, right? When the price was actually making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, we started going in upper direction. But we came to area where price actually started making lower highs, but still managed to make the higher low. We continued in an upward rally. But here, when the price came to an area where it started making lower highs and lower lows, it indicated us the trend might be reversing very soon. And after that, it made lower highs again and lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows. And right now, as I said yesterday, it is actually making higher highs, but we don't know where the lower low is going to end. So, and also one really interesting fact about this Bitcoin price action, and if you compare this with 2020 February, the similarity is really nice, because you can see here, same scenario unfolded here as well. Because when the price actually started making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, it started going in really nice in upper direction. But when it came to an area where it started making lower highs and lower lows, price started dropping really fast. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and look at this massive lower lows. And also look at the similarities, guys. When the price started making lower highs and lower lows from where we are currently, really nice price drop. We found some support around this area, and then we had a really nice push, but the price got dumped really bad, upper channel. But look at this one. As soon as the price broke the support of the upper channel, it broke downwards, but it came right in and started continue this channel. But guys, look at this same similarities also from 2020 February. So we can see after making lower highs and lower lows, price actually started really like falling massively, and we had a nice pump just like here, and then a massive drop. Same here. We entered this upper channel just like here. We went off track, right? But we still managed to come back in and follow the trend. And same here. We went off track, we came back in and followed the trend. But if the same scenario is going to be unfolding also right now, then guys, this here what actually I'm showing you is the bars from here. And if the whole scenario is going to unfold just like this, then we have a massive drop waiting for us ahead. And also what I thought is I actually added an Elliott Wave analysis to it. So with this Elliott Wave analysis, what we can see is this impulse wave here right now, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? First wave, I will say. And along with this corrective wave, the second wave with this ABC pattern, we can see now what's left. The third is forming, and this third usually indicates the price should decline or go in a downward direction. So if this is going to pan out just like what we talked about it from here, right? From February, then our wave 3 is going to be around the 5,800 or 5,600 area. This is what I'm actually seeing it right now, guys. I'm really bullish on Bitcoin in a longer time frame, but in a shorter time frame, I'm not confident enough to say that I'm bullish. So guys, the another example what I actually wanted to share with you is this bump and run reversal bottom. And this bump and run reversal bottom is actually a bullish bump and run reversal bottom, because if you look at this one and you don't know what this is, let me tell you shortly, guys. This bump and run reversal bottom is a chart pattern that is very good performer both in bull and also in the bear market. So you can see a bump and run reversal has 3 phases, right? So you can see this one here where the price actually goes in a downward direction. This is a lead phase, price gets bumped. This is a bump phase, and then what happened after bump? Price run in an upper direction. This is a run phase. So same similarity here from 2020 as well, guys. Price fell massively. We had a lead phase. Price usually goes in downward direction. It got bump here, you can see here. And now is the run waiting us ahead? Because if we look from the past, from this 2018 bear phase, this here, the bigger one, right? We can see here this lead phase. This whole actually the bullish bump and run will usually start with a bearish trend, just like shown in the picture, guys. The price starts going in a downward direction unless it finds a new low, and it indicates this bump. This bump is indicating that now a new low has reached. And what happened after that? Price gets like consolidated around some area, and it started going in upper direction, starting on new and fresh bullish move. You can see it there. After the consolidation area, price started going in upper direction. And what is the most important in this bump and run reversal bottom, guys, is this here, this area. That's why I actually marked it in a different color. You can see when price reaches this trend line area, this is where it actually indicates, is the price going to continue in a downward direction, or is it going to run in an upper direction? For example, this one, right? It started running massively in an upper direction. It usually looks like this, guys, if you want to understand it clearly. This is a phase. This is a lead-in phase. This is a bump-in phase, and this is a run after broken the trend line. So you can see here, right? Broken trend line, possible reversal, a big question mark. And look at from 2018 and 17, guys, here. This bear phase, the price got thrown back, right, to the trend line area. It found support. We can see here. The price got thrown back to the trend line area. It found support, and then what happened? It indicated, okay, we are strong enough to push the price forward. And then we had a really nice run. Same here from the 2019 as well. This lead phase, as I said, it's a bearish trend, usually indicating in a downward trend, right? Same like this one. We had a bump phase here, and after reaching the bump phase, price reached a new low. We said here is the new low, and then a fresh bullish move starts. So just like here, after consolidation, we went to the trend line area. Again, just like here in the picture, broken trend line, possible reversal, big question mark, and you can see here, the price got thrown back to the trend line area. It found support, and then what it indicated, that it will run in upper direction. This was not a big run, but still it is a really nice run. But now look at this one, guys. Similar scenario appearing here again from 2020, guys. You can see this is a lead phase, this is a bump phase, and now we are exactly at the trend line area. But if you consider looking the trend line area from the past, we got thrown to the trend line area, we found support, and then price continue upward rally, right? So here, same scenario. The price got thrown to the trend line area, it found support, and then it started a new trend. It started running in upward direction. Same here, but look at this one, guys. We got thrown back twice, and now it's actually indicating a downward direction. So is this trend actually, or this price action, going to close above this high? So if the price actually candle closes above this high, somewhere around here, and it's indicate that this kind of move, then guys, we can see a really nice run waiting us ahead as well. But if this is not going to break the previous high, then what might also be waiting ahead is this kind of scenario, guys. This here is also an example for bump and run reversal bottom, guys. We can see this late phase where we had a massive bump phase where we get throwback to the trend line area, just like as shown in the picture. Price runs in an uphill. But if what we are witnessing right now, we can see, right, the price is running towards the trend line area, and it's actually getting support. It's not breaking down, but it's not also showing a really positive movement, because if this is going to work like this, we can see here price is around the trend line area, and it actually started falling even further below. So guys, you can see here, right, we are around this trend line, just like here in the example. What we want is our price to close above the previous high. Only then we might see a run appearing according to this bump and run reversal bottom, guys. So guys, this is what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Right now, looking at this both bearish and bullish scenario, it's very interesting where Bitcoin currently is, and let's see how the coming days it's going to be for Bitcoin. And if you're watching this video for the first time, guys, smash the like button, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell. I hope you guys enjoyed. My name is Anup, and until next time, guys, bye bye.